bad.
You don't think that's that bad?
Hmm?
It's kind of cakey. No?
Yeah, here, let's see it out. And you know what's crazy? That you use like injector cleaner and shit.
Yeah, I didn't do shit.
Like this one's cake. Like look at how thick that is. Look how thick this is. Look at it. You know what I mean? Like who knows what cylinder that is.